Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can switch from ChatGPT to Claude AI. It just in one click. Now let's get started. First, we go to this website. It's Cloud Memory. You'll find the link in the description in this video. And go here. We'll copy the prompts Claude AI give it me. This is the prompts. Click on copy and go to ChatGPT. When go to ChatGPT, just pass to the prompts and click run. Now ChatGPT, it's give me all my information in this file. Just copy this file. Let's start when finish. Now ChatGPT, it's finished. And let's copy this all files and go to Claude here, and this is the step 2. Click on settings, and here we are in Claude. Just paste the text you copied from ChatGPT and click run. This is Claude settings. Let's click on this now. No, not this is the option. Click import and just paste the prompts here. That's it. Now all your information from ChatGPT, it's uploading on Claude and you can use it for free. That's it in this video, and see you the next one.